Hey guys, I'm making this video because I have the Valve Index VR headset and the cable is bad on the long cable that connects from the headset to the Trident. Now I've talked with Steam support, they say that that is removable and it looks like it's not. Can't find any videos about how to remove it. I've been able to successfully remove the cable without breaking those two attachment pieces that attach to the headset. Let me go ahead and show you, since it's obviously not out there, and that really will help you guys out when that cable goes bad. Okay, so step one is remove the gasket. Step two is remove this cable. Step 3, this does come out. Lo and behold, no instructions. Here you go. Up and out. Lastly, this clip does pop out. You need a flathead screwdriver. Remove this clip with the flathead. If you see here, you can get underneath the clip right here. You hold on to this and you pry it out like so. Here's a clip there, a little socket on this side, socket on that side, and here's the clip. It is not broken, it clips back on, and that is how you remove the cable without breaking anything.